Hello po, everyone. Hopefully, clear po lahat ang sinasabi ko dito para magkaintindihan. I am Raymundo Basco, the head coach of the Civil Service Exam Review course at ito po ang Travel North Digital Review. We are here to orient niyo po sa Fearless Pass, the ultimate civil service exam success system. Ano po ito? Ito po ay isang kurso na na-develop po namin through the years, participating in government examinations, promotional examinations, career examinations, civil service entrance examinations, police entrance examinations. Ito po ang buod o sinasabi po natin na it's now the amalgamation of the experiences and knowledge na na-acquire po through the years sa pag-participate ng mga various exams ng government. Ito po ay inahatid sa inyo ng Travel North Digital Review. Kami po ay grupo ng grupo na nagpapa-review sa mga kumukuha po ng mga different government examinations. In the making of this course, I consulted a government scholar, Fulbright scholar at that, and an educator. Nag-consult din po ako sa Civil Service Commission. Nag-consult din po ako sa military. Kasi meron po di tayong mga kaibigan na pumasa at nag-take po ng mga various military examinations and police examinations. Before we'd like to introduce the course, so meron pong announcement. As we can see, it's actually an important announcement from the Civil Service Commission na magkakaroon po sila ng exam on August 10, 2025. At yung date of application po ay from May 12 to June 11, 2025. We advise you po, go and visit your respective Civil Service Commission field offices po para mag-inquire kung paano po mag-apply sa examinations. Basically, pwede kayo pong mag-apply online, bring a valid government ID, passport size na ID picture, and of course yung 500 pesos po na application fee if you want to apply and take part of the examinations on August 10, 2025. The Civil Service Commission is conducting civil service examination, the paper and pencil test twice a year for January, I think, and August of each year. Pero pwede din naman po kayong makakuha ng COMEX or the computerized examination. Balik po tayo sa Fearless Pass, the ultimate civil service exam success system. Kaya sinabi ko nga kanina, it's actually an accumulation of our knowledge and experience on the different review of various government examinations that we participated in through the years. Early part ng mga karera ko po ay nagsimula po ako sa CS Subprof. That was way back in 1998 when I was in third year college. Nakapasa ako dyan. Then I eventually take the CS Prof. And when I entered the Department of the Interior and Local Government in 2005, I took the DILG Psychometric Examinations. Noon po hindi ko alam na yung civil service eligibility ay pwede po pala para sa PNP entrance. So pwede po magagamit na eligibility sa entrance mo po sa Philippine National Police. Pero nevertheless, I took and also passed the PNP examination in 2003. While at the service, I took the DILG Psychometric Examination and passed my LGOO course to become the Local Government Operations Officer of the Department of the Interior and Local Government. Eventually, noong 2009, the Civil Service Commission was offering the local scholarship program for the master's degree course, of which I eventually passed in 2009 and went on to take my master's. Nag-try ako sa foreign service. Parang, ano ba, i-try ko kung pwede ako. At that time, I think I was 32 and luckily I was one of those who passed the foreign service examination. And lastly, kumuha din po ako ng international safety exam from the International Association of Safety Professionals. No? So, based on my experience and the knowledge in participating to these various government examinations, I was able to accumulate yung mga experiences na yan. And in the course of my research and with the help of educators, former fellow government workers, we came up with this blueprint, or we came up with this course na tinatawag natin na Fearless Pass Ultimate Civil Service Exam Success System. Ano pa yung content nito? This is not typically the course that you expect na sinasabi siguro doon na we have to review nightly on the answer sheets, look at our reviewers and our questionnaires, because naiiba po ito. It is a different approach that encompasses, or yung may nakaano po doon na sabi natin na ah, ibang approach sa pag-prepare po sa examination. Sa first module pa lang, we will be facing, or we will be introducing the fail-proof formula. Ano po ba ito? Sa mga first-timers po, alam po namin dyan na meron pong tinatawag tayong exam anxiety. Yan po yung problema ng mga first-time takers ng examinations. No? Na kung minsan, ninenervyos sila sa pag-take ng examination. In this module, we'll understand why failing or why fearing increases your chances of passing. Isi-shift po natin dito yung mindset nyo of failure. We will use the fear of failure to build your confidence and come up with a strategy para po bago pa lang sasapit yung exam, nawawala po yung kaba. Nawawala po yung pangamba mo. Nawawala po yung fear mo na ikaw ay hindi po papasa sa examination. So, sinasabi nga nila, it's all in the mind. Nasa utak lang po yan. No? The second module is the fearless exam mindset. Eliminate anxiety and boost confidence. Eh bakit exam yung pinag-uusapan natin? Nandito tayo sa mindset, sa fear of failure and eliminate anxiety. Oh, come on, sa examination po. Believing that you can prior it starts makes you halfway there. Kasi nasa mindset lang po yan. We will boost your confidence that going into the exam, and with coupled with the strategies, you know that you are capable. You know that you could actually pass the exam. Our objective here is to remove the fear. It will make you unstoppable, confident, and this is where your training for success starts. Yun yung first two modules to build confidence. Confidence on how to tackle the examination, on how to understand yourself, and how to actually prepare yourself na pag nandun ka na sa exam room, you fear no one, of course, except time. Si meron at meron yan sa exam. There is always the component of time. For the third module, ito na. May introduce na yung study system. Mai-introduce na yung study plan na dapat na magtratrabaho para sa iyo. Sa pag-prepare kasi ng civil service, hindi pwede na answer ka lang ng questionnaire without the blueprint, without the plan on how to execute, on how to do, on how to face the examination. It is normal na kailangan talaga natin ng blueprint. Tawag nila na blueprint sa pag-face po ng examination. Kasi pag wala ito, para tayong nawawala sa wilderness. Tinatawag nila doon. Would be like birds that are flying in the wilderness. Hindi alam kung saan yung patutunguhan. Dito na, meron tayong structured study plan that works. And if you have reviewers from other course providers, I encourage you to visit again those reviewers kasi there is no exam that you could prepare without the valuable reviewers. Kailangan natin talaga yung reviewers. In this course, we're trying to position on how you would actually use the reviewers to, uh, sabi natin dito, how you use the reviewers on how to elevate your performance. Maybe you have tried it before, tudo buhos ang oras mo sa review, tudo buhos ang effort mo sa review, but there are certain aspects na kailangan mo din talagang pagtuunan. And there are certain strategies na dapat na gagawin mo talaga sa pag-review. No? On the fourth module, we have the time attack strategy. Answer faster and avoid mental blocks. Ano ba ito? Meron talagang mental blocks sa examination. Nag-answer ka, tapos bigla kang nablangko, tapos bigla ka na lang mapaano, tapos you don't know that time has already flown by. 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes. Meron talagang mga ganyan. Yung mga unprepared. But we have the time attack strategy. Ano to? You attack the problems. You attack the questionnaire as if you're running to the front lines. As if you're running to the trenches. As if you're running for your life. Ganun po yung approach dito. Alam niyo ba yan? Yung expression na run for the trenches. During World War I daw. It was actually a trench warfare during World War I. Yung gumagawa sila ng trench, naghuhukay ba sila yung mga malalayong holes, bang houses, na pag nagbobomba ay pumuputok yung kalaban, the only defense actually, the only security is for you to run for the trenches. Doon ka masasalba. Ganun din sa civil service examination. Run! Do not run away sa exam room. Run the questionnaire. Answer the questionnaire as fast as you can. My technique yan. If you could actually answer skip, ganun din po ang technique niyan. Pero ituturo po yan sa course. You have to master. This is very important. Time management and quick problem solving are very, very important. Ano po yung time management? Time management is how you use the allocated time for you to be able to answer all of the questions. Ilang questions yan? For the CS Prof, that is 180. Takes you about 3 hours and 10 minutes. For the CS Sub-Prof, that is 170. It takes you about 2 hours and 45 minutes. You maximize the time, the given time, para sigurado na makakapasa. What's our objective? Now we would be able to manage your time and of course, quick problem solve. The fifth, correct the examination code. Hahanapin mo yung mga secrets and the error-proof strategies. Lahat ng exam kasi may mga secrets yan. May mga sikreto silang nilalagay dyan. And you must have to learn. Must have to have insider strategies para maiwasan mo ang mga yan. There are questions actually that are redundant. There are questions that are misleading. Pero in the course of this exam, we will teach you on how to answer these questions. So, objective natin dito, avoid mistakes and boost your score. And of course, we have the quick wins. Ang quick wins actually na yan are the exercises that you have to undertake in between the modules. If after the course you want to retake it, naka-record naman po, ilalagay po natin lahat yan sa group chat, yung recordings. And you could always review using the recordings. Okay? Module 6 is the final sprint. It is the 7-day readiness and peak performance plan. Lock in confidence, strategy, and mental sharpness before exam day. Gaya din po ng boxers. Diba? Our boxers actually train not for eternity. They actually train to prepare for a given fight. But they do not train until fight day. They rest about 2 weeks or 1 week before fight day. They enjoy. Yan. They wind down. Gaya din po sa exam taking, meron po sinasabi nila na you have to wind down all things. You have prepared for 5 weeks. You have to wind down on the 6th day. And it's very important po ito. Kaya sinabi ng tatay ko noon na 2 nights or 1 night before the exam, you've got to sleep like a baby. Totoo po yun. It is one of the greatest advices that I ever heard. Because bakit kailangan na ganyan? Because you have to rest before exam day, and come exam day, you are fully prepared to tackle the examination. 2 nights or 1 night before the exam is not a time to rush things up kasi wala nang silbi na yan. Kaya ka nagme-mental block kasi you just learned it the night before, 2 nights before. Tapos nandyan ka, napatungangan na lang, ano pala yun? Tapos napakimit pa, wala na pala, hindi mo na pala alam yung answer. No? The final sprint, 7-day exam readiness and peak performance plan. This is the penultimate module. Ito yung module na sabihin natin na this is the last module that you could take to prepare you for exam day. Okay, those are the holistic approach on to how to sabihin natin dito on how to implement these different modules of the course. Okay, paano i-implement natin? Ang course duration actually are my 3 weeks. There is a 3-week course duration and we have 2 live sessions per week. That is a Tuesday and on a Friday. Bakit ganun po? Para on a weekend, you have a longer time to answer all the quick wins or the exercises. Yun po. In every review, kailangan talaga natin yung questionnaire. Yung sinasabi ko nga, kung mayroon kayong mga questionnaires dyan, don't put it aside. Make it ready as a part of our review. Okay? Meron tayong add-on. Of course, hindi lang naman yung course lang talaga yung kailangan natin dito. May add-on siya. We have the ultimate 30-day study planner and exam success checklist. Ito naman po, it's worth 5,999. Ito yung daily schedule mo to track your progress. We have the Fearless Mindset and Confidence Booster Audio Training. It's worth 3,999. Maibibigay po ito after the training. Para po, pwede niyong mapakinggan to refresh considering there is a very, very long time gap between in our training and the exam day para naman po may makapag-boost tayo sa inyo. Ito ang questionnaires natin. We have 2 questionnaires, the question bank with the answer key. The question bank and the answer key actually is sa initial parts niya. It's a questionnaire, It's a questionnaire na meron siyang answer at na-explain yung answer agad. We do not advise you to memorize all of it. No, you just understand actually the question. And it's an updated practice questionnaire covering all exam subjects. May strategy din naman yan. Hindi lahat ng subject, pagtuunan mo lahat ng pansin. Mayroong tinatawag diyan na Pomodoro technique, kung saan dito ka, may ituturo din naman yan sa course. We have also the live coaching sessions. You could ask me anything worth 9,999. And lastly, we have our support group na we have our Facebook group that we should have to motivate and keep supporting on each other. Lahat po yan in a total of 26,996. Ganun ba yan? Pero we are not giving it actually at 26,996. Ano ba yan? Nagpre-prepare tayo para sa civil service, para sa bayan, tapos ganun kamahal? No? Are you giving it at 13,000? No? Are we giving it at 5,000? Ayan na ito. Pwede na ito. Siguro sa 5,000, no? Pero hindi pa rin. We're actually giving the add-ons as bonuses. Free na po yung study planner. Free na po ang mindset and confidence booster audio training. Free na din po yung question bank. Yung coaching session and the VIP pass to private fearless passers support. Free na po yan. No? Magkano na siya? It's only 2,999 pesos for 26,996 worth of products. You see kung paano po siya naibibigay on our introductory price. Uy, meron pa palang course bonus. We will assist you on the filing of examination requirements. And ang isa naman to na assistance to granting of civil service eligibility to certain groups of government workers based on their service length and work. May mga certain privileges po kasi ang government workers. And usually this is a post-exam assistance. No? You just contact us. Anyway, magbibigay din po kami ng parang isang course or orientation din dito kung paano po talaga makakapag-avail yung mga kapatid natin na sa government service. Most especially for those who have served as barangay officials, government workers, COs, contract of service, or GOs, job orders, or casual for more than 10 years, members of the Sangguniang Bayan, o di Sangguniang Panlalawigan. Meron po kasi silang special civil service eligibility. At dito po kami mag-assist. And of course, last but not the least, may discount, automatic discount po kayo for other civil service exam review course programs. Kasi marami pong incoming, no? Incoming na programs. Let's say na there are programs for different review systems na pwede po nang i-alok and they are forthcoming. So, the course would start on April 22. Starts at 6 p.m. para mabigyan po yung mga kasama natin na nasa servisyo na mag-attend. 25, April 29, May 2, May 6, and May 9. And all training will be conducted via Zoom. How to enroll? Ito na po. You could enroll via Security Bank, GCash, or Maya. And yan po. So, 2,999 po yung investment. Tawag po natin to ng investment because you're actually, we are talking on the improvement of yourself, the improvement of your career, the improvement of your work, and of course, the improvement of your employment. Malay mo, once you have this and they will employ you permanently in the government service. We have the Security Bank account, the GCash, and the Maya account. After you have enrolled, please take a screenshot and download. And email po sa akin. Nandyan po yung email, raybasco1978@gmail.com. And once na ma-verify po namin, magsesend po kami ng SMS or email. And following that, we'll provide you instructions to finalize your registrations and how to join our live workshops. Yung mga po existing na member po ng government workforce, we want you to be honest kung ilang taon na po kayo sa government, the aggregated service, and what branches of service po na nandoon kayo. Yung mga barangay officials natin, yung mga SB members natin, at saka kindly indicate din po kung kayo po ba ay family member ng isang veteran, member of the Veterans Federation. No? So, yun na. About the author, wala na to, ano lang to. Advertisement lang siguro natin to. Pero sa buod lang, I spent 17 years in the Department of the Interior and Local Government. I experienced various and numerous government examinations. And it's due to this that I am actually mm, I am imparting this knowledge, these skills, and strategies to you. Hindi man ako educator, I am not a licensed teacher, but I am a trainer. Trained to impart knowledge to barangay officials, local officials, functionaries of the local government units, to impart knowledge on specific provisions of the law, ordinances, law, and other projects of the government while I was still in active service. Kung sila man po ay naturuan ko to become successful leaders in their communities, I believe mas matulungan ko po kayo on how to pass the civil service exam, you being professionals, you being qualified to undertake the examinations. Thank you po. Ito po yung sinasabi nila dito na links na pwede niyo po akong makontak. I have my email here, I have my Facebook, my Twitter or X. X account po, hindi po yung X na ano yan. I have my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, my smart number, and of course, my globe number. Thank you very much for your time. I appreciate it very much. I encourage you to take action sa pag-prepare po ng exam. Kailangan po talaga natin na laging handa. And now, this early, April 4, 2025, this early, you still have the luxury of time to review all you want, to impart all the strategies that we will teach you and take the government exam. Good luck po sa exam nyo. Huwag pong kalimutan na mag-enroll. And we will be there to guide you. Our course would run for 3 weeks. Hindi po everyday na mag-answer tayo na A is for apple, B is for boy, or C is for cat. Tuturuan po kayo ng mga strategies na pwede nyo pong ma-incorporate sa pag-take nyo po ng government examination. Thank you po. Good day, good evening. See you po sa course training natin.